So today we're gonna test out this Luna Bean infant plaster casting kit.
Yeah.
Did it on Emmy when he was a baby. And now we get to do it on baby Maria. Yay, Mommy!
Comment down below.
So comment down below if you think this is pretty cool.
It is.
Okay, so here's step one.
Yeah. Every time I do, comment down below I do this.
So this should be changing colors here from pink to white.
Mommy, got some gum in my mouth.
Let's see. Gross.
That looks really pinkish as the other one.
And once it turns white, we're supposed to put the baby's hand in here for a minute, an additional 30 seconds. Grandma's in the background. Alright, so this is step one. We just put the baby's hand in here. She's obviously wiggling. Chamaquita. It's supposed to be in here for a minute 30. A little wiggling is okay, but let's see how this turns out. Okay guys, we just made the hand mold. Now we are making the casting stone that goes inside the mold.
Yeah. And comment down below what's your favorite gummy.
Emmy's obsessed with gummies right now.
Emmy's obsessed with Ryan Tour Review, so he knows how to make YouTube videos better than we do. All these steps. So we're mixing water with the casting stone.
Just like the water over there in the pond, comment down below what's your favorite gummy.
So we're gonna mix this and we're gonna pour it into the mold.
And comment down below, Victor.
Victor?
No, Victor from the Power Rangers.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, so we'll see you in a
Comment down
couple
below.
seconds. Okay, so this is our hand mold. Now we're going to pour the casting stone into here. The casting stone's supposed to be the consistency of paint. Gotta get up in all those little crevices.
Hola chamaquitas. Hola mi chamaca. Bebé. Bebé. Hey bebé. Okay, so we finished putting the mold in there. 2 hours later, this is what it looks like. It's pretty hard. Okay. So now, finishing your statue. Alright, so you gotta pull on all sides. Here's a little foot. It does come with a sander to sand these little parts on. Okay, so now we're going to do the hand. Same thing, both sides apart. So as you can see, some of it did overfill to the top right here, but this part peels off fairly easy. here's the hand. So you can see it's still a little lumpy. I'm working out the lumps with the safety pin. Just peeling the lumps off. But I thought it turned out pretty cool. Okay. Alright, so it says to rinse in cold water to let sit for 5 days. Here's her cute little hand. Let's see your hand, mamita. Ándale, bebé. Let's see your hand, bebé. Sí, amor. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Oh my goodness, so much. Where'd your cranky brother go, huh? That cranky boy. Yeah. Go ahead and take this to the sink. Rinse it under cold water. Look who it is. Are you in a better mood now? Can you say sorry to mommy for being mean?
I'm not being mean.
You were giving me a really bad attitude.
What is that on your hand?
It's the molding for your sister. Are you gonna say sorry to me?
Sorry.
So sorry, Mom, for my bad attitude.
Sorry, Mom, for my bad.
All right, so here are the end results. We have to wait 5 days before we can paint it. And Emmy?
Oh, that looks kind of like an angel.
Oh, she is an angel. Well, let's show them yours when you were little. So here is Emmy's. We've never painted his. This is his hand when he was, I want to say, 6 weeks old.
We're going to paint it right now.
Yeah, we can go ahead and paint it.
That's cool.
His little cat foot.
And I know you guys.
Let's see your hand now. Let's see. Yeah.
My foot.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to paint it with
Okay.
this brush.
Mm-hmm.
Because, and since the other ones are too heavy, because
Here's the paint that it came with. I believe you have other options, pearl, bronze, or gold. But we're gonna go ahead and end this video. And Emmy, what are you gonna say?
Comment down below.